what I get in a week of PR. Let's get into it. First up, I got this package from MAC. Is some lipsticks. I don't know if it's just me, but I love the smell of the MAC lipsticks. Okay, next we got this 5-minute face by MILANI. So we basically got everything you need for a full face of makeup here. I've never actually used MILANI products, so let me know in the comments if you tried them and what you think. Next up is STAFFORD. Got a shampoo, hair tonic and conditioner. It smells really good too. Am I the only one who always has to do like a smell test on everything? Okay, we got a box from CIATÉ London. What is this? So it's a 24-piece brush set. You can never have too much makeup brushes, right? The brushes and the case are vegan. And guys, they are so soft. I see more pink. Got some skincare from Skin Proud. We've got a Bright Eye Gel Cream, a Clay Cream Cleanser, Gel to Ice Hydrator. Oh, this one is pretty heavy. FENTY Beauty. I have no words. Well, I do have words because I'm talking, but I feel so spoiled. And guys, you know how much I love the handwritten notes. Okay guys, last up we got this big boy. And look, it's been personalised. It's got my name on it. So thoughtful. This is from River Island. Okay, here's the goodies. I've never tried any of these brands, so I hope they're good. Next up. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? It's a mini DIY wreath kit. I don't actually celebrate Christmas, but this would make such a cute gift. The star of the show is this River Island Beauty Advent Calendar. Apparently it's filled with £290 worth of goodies. So there's 24 doors in here. I've never actually had an Advent calendar. We're already on, I think, the 18th of December now, so I'm kind of late. I don't really know how these things work, so am I supposed to open all the boxes up till the 18th and then carry on from there until Christmas? Someone comment and let me know and maybe I'll do a separate video opening them. But for now, that's everything for this week. Thanks for watching.